Hello friends. As you can see in this mobile app, uh, as the position moves, we have new GPS coordinate and all are inserted inside MySQL database. So every time a new GPS coordinate, uh, it will inserted in the MySQL database through PHP API. So we used in this Ionic app, this is in Ionic app, we use PHP API and MySQL database. So this is the basic app to insert the GPS coordinate inside MySQL database. So we will check step by step all the things. So let's proceed.
So this is the data which we store through the app. Whenever position changes, we have new GPS coordinate, and those GPS coordinate will be inserted here in MySQL database with the particular date time. So it's stored using the API, PHP API, and this is the API, PHP API. Basically, we receive the data through the app, and we will use the query MySQL query and insert the data in the database. So I already made a separate video on this API. If you want, I will put the link of that video in the description of this video. You can check. And let's see now how the Ionic apps coding works. So this is the Ionic app code, and you can see we use HTTP client for calling the API, and absolutely use capacitor geolocation plugin to capture the position. So as you can see inside ng on it, we call the geolocation watch position method. Whenever the mobile app moves, as means user moves, we have new GPS coordinate, and we store this inside lat long and date time. So this is the latitude, this is the longitude, and this is the date time, particular date time of that moment. After getting this value, we call simple insert in MySQL method. So this is the method. We have URL, API URL, and we have object lat long and date time, and we use the headers, and using HTTP client post method, we pass the URL data in JSON format, and response type must be text because API returns inserted or not inserted. So whenever this API call, whenever position change. So as you already saw in the app, every time position changes, the data inserted in the inside the app. So this is the code basically, and inside HTML we show the GPS coordinate like this in iron grid, latitude, longitude, and date time. So it will bind every time this data whenever position changes. So here it is binding lat long and date time, and here basically this is the simple technique to insert the GPS coordinate whenever user moves in the anywhere user moves. So basically this is the all environment. We have API, we need API, we need MySQL database, and we need a mobile app with geolocation enabled. So hope you like this. This is the basic technique, and you can use any web application also, or this is example by Ionic app, but it can be used by any mobile, any Android, native Android app, iOS app, or any web application. So hope you like this. If you like this, please subscribe the channel, like the video. We'll back soon with some other tips and trick in for Ionic, PHP, or MySQL database, Node.js, etc. So thanks for the time.